Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So what we'll be needing for our hexagon t-shirt is our wool. Is very important. Then our darning needle, crochet hook. We are using 3mm hook, then scissors, stitch marker, and our tape. So the next thing we'll be doing is to make our slip knot. You can see our slip knot is ready. Then you chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Into the first chain, you make a slip stitch. Then you chain 1. After your slip stitch, you can see that our magic ring is ready. So you make your first cluster. We are going to be making first cluster inside this magic ring because we are making hexagon shirts. This one. After making your first double crochet, you go in with your stitch marker. Next one is our double crochet, our second double crochet. Third double crochet. Then you chain 1. Now this is our first cluster. Then you go with your second cluster, which is 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Then you chain 1. This is our second cluster. So after your 5th cluster, you chain 1 and go with slip stitch into the place you insert your stitch marker. After that, then you make your chain, the chain of the length you want, starting from the armpit. So go do that and then we'll meet at the end. As you can see, I've gotten the length I want. I chained 87. So this length is starting from the armpit going down. This is the length I want, 87. After the last chain, you have to go hold that place tight and go on with another 3 chain. So after that, you yarn over into the last chain, which is 87th I chained earlier. Before chaining the 3, you go in with your double crochet. These 3 chains that I chained here will serve as 1 double crochet. Then you go in with the second double crochet into the same chain space. Now we have a cluster. Now this one is 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. That is a cluster. Then you